Hello everyone! Our subject for today is one of the beautiful seascape of Clearwater, Florida, the port of the jet ski rental. The watercolor pigments we are using in this painting are mainly cobalt blue, cerulean blue, and then some sap green, burnt sienna, and red. Aside from our watercolor and a 140 pounds paper, we will be using extra material such as masking tape and masking fluid. We will cover larger areas that we want to stay white using masking tape and masking fluids for small details. I recommend a 140 pounds type of paper because we will be using a lot of water for our washes. It is just a 4+ minute time-lapse demonstration of how to paint this seascape in Clearwater. I hope you enjoy watching.